As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Algorand cost will hit $0.2 toward the finish of 2025 and afterward $3 by the center of 2028. Algorand will ascend to $4 inside the extended time of 2032 and $5 in 2034. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1,253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1,772, so the cost diminished by 21% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.33, and the year-to-year change plus 46%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 86%. In 2024, we hope to see $23 per one Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $1.40. In the final part, the cost would add $0.09 and close the year at $0.49, which is plus 176% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.49 to $0.62, which is up 27%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.49, then, at that point, dip to $1.46 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.49. That implies plus 176% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.62 to $0.88, which is plus 42%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $0.62, then, at that point, take off to $0.66 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $0.70. It is about plus 295% from today. It's 41524. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.741, so the cost diminished by 23% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.19 and the year-to-year change 16%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 9%. In 2024, we hope to see $20 per one Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $25. In the last part, the cost would add $04 and close the year at $29, which is plus 67% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $29 to $53, which is up 83%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $29. Then, at that point, take off to $31 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $34. That implies plus 95% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $53 to $71, which is plus 34%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $53 and finish 2031 at $53. It is about plus 204% from today. 40124. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $22 to $53. Today, Algorand exchanged at $17.6021, so the cost expanded by 16% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.42 and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 60%. In 2024, we hope to see $44 per one Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $55. In the final part, the cost would add $09 and close the year at $464, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.64 to $1.18, which is up 84%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.64, then take off to $0.68 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $74. That implies plus 182% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.18 to $1.53, which is plus 30%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.18. Then, at that point, dip to $1.11 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.17. It is about plus 346% from today. It's a 315,204. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.2912, so the cost expanded by 29% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.66, and the year-to-year change plus 193%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 127%. In 2024, we hope to see $55 per one Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $0.85. In the last part, the cost would lose $0.05 and close the year at $0.80, which is plus 175% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.80 to $1.11, which is up 39%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.80, then, at that point, take off to $1.85 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.92. That implies plus 216% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $1.11 to $1.55, which is plus 40%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.11, then take off to $0.18 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.25. It is about plus 329% from today. 31204. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.2181, so the cost diminished by 3% from the very start of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.42, and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 93%. In 2024, we hope to see $35 per one Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $1.54. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.03 and close the year at $1.51, which is plus 134% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $51 to $72, which is up 41%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $51, then take off to $54 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $59. That implies plus 171% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.72 to $1.01, which is plus 40%.